关前街，入澳的 Ervanarios， 澳门关前街 ，Street of the Ervanários。Oh mama Macau, making it through these streets just right. I'm mama Macau, meandering, meandering, meandering. Antiques, restaurants, coffee shops, Portuguese tiled streets, lanterns and shops, and some of the coolest damn architecture. Oh mama Macau, making it through these streets just right. I'm mama Macau, meandering, meandering, meandering. Down in the alleys, down with the flow, up with the energy, got that energy flow. Oh mama Macau, making it through these streets just right. I'm mama Macau, meandering, meandering, meandering.
Okay, this is Rua dos Ervanarios, which is the street of the herbalist. You can see this beautiful black-white tiles. We're gonna go all the way down, and I'm gonna also get an update about food truck. So they have some changes there. I usually stop by there whenever I'm in this neighborhood, and we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So stay tuned. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, all these lights will be lit up, I think, at nighttime. And then this one on the weekend will be, sometimes there'll be a whole market area in here. Right now we're in the middle of the daytime. Some nice pastel green colors. Lots of antique shops in this area. This is called the Street of the Herbalist. And we're gonna stop by a food truck and to see all the updates of his place. He's got some big changes, and then just in general, this one is a good street for tourists, antiques, stamps, food, tea, coffee. This one's on the corner, it's closed at the moment. We're gonna there's a lot of small changes here. I'm just kind of walk into one of these alleys real quick. This is always kind of cool. Hear no evil, see no evil, Portuguese. And there's some references. This street is, I think it's called like Liquor and Boats. So in Chinese, this street, but that's not our street. This is a little street off the corner called Dorna. So Dorna is a Portuguese boat, and the Chinese word is like this liquor place. But that's neither here nor there, because our street is this one right here. And as an aside, this one was had like gelato ice cream. Looks like it's a different thing now. And then this, we're gonna keep on going down that way, but this is always interesting in here too. So this is also part of Dorna. Dorna's the cross street, but we're gonna just stick to ours. See food truck. See what's going on down there. Here's a reference. In Macau, that was kind of a reference from some cola stuff that you'd see in Taipa and other places. And it looks like they're gonna have something, says something stage. So sometimes I've seen some performers, so they'll have a space in there. Actually, I'm gonna capture that. There's some nice photography right there too. Yeah, I think this is all new. I think that's new. that big giant table in there that floated all the way down to where food truck is at during a flood during a typhoon. Just maybe in September, because this about 6 months ago. More side streets. They're getting ready for Chinese New Year right now, so you'll see a lot of references to that. This street continually changes, so it's good to film it often because a lot of these shops have been here for a long time, but some of them change. I think this is a new one. I don't recall that one. And let me see. Here's this one. I met this owner last time I was around this area, so hello to him if he sees the video. Has like cats and I think dogs. I'm gonna catch Pedro in food truck if I can. And this is his new place, so I don't know if where he's at exactly, but he's changing this one, so I'll just kind of recap some of the stuff that he's doing. But this is kind of like concessions. Did Pedro go to the other place? So this one, he has a different setup, so I'll try to capture some of it. I've actually been filming his place since the beginning, since he opened up about 8.5 years ago, I think it was, March. I've been coming by and filming this food truck. So yeah, he has kind of a different little thing going on right here. I think I'll show his other, he has another space, but we'll maybe we'll go through it now and capture that. Yeah, so that's frozen food now. And he was telling me about some of it. He has another shop down that way, just a little tiny ways. So there's some new changes in his place. Okay, so let's come back this way. I don't see him. I'm gonna film more in detail with that later. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna go down this way. I don't want to miss any of our street, but this is on the side street. These things keep changing. I don't remember that Thai iced tea. This one I met the owner recently. This is Pedro's other place right there. I will come back down this way. This video might be longer than I want it to be already. But it does have some changes since the last time I was here though. Okay, let's see. Let me see, that's his place. And we'll keep on moving along and just film this whole street. Yeah, quite colorful, all these lanterns. It's Chinese New Year's coming up pretty soon, so some of these references will be, there's gonna be a lot of like lantern light shows coming up very soon. Okay. Some more side streets and some artwork as well. And then we have a coffee shop right there. And we also have a Veiro. It's Portuguese food. Let's see. And then sometimes I'll film this street right here. This is on like the green windows. There's a green window straight down that way. Let's see what else we got. Over the Moon, I think that's been there for a while. You got some jade over there as well. And some stamps. So this is like memorabilia. And more stamps here too. And we also have some other side streets in here too. We'll just keep on moving down. Let's see here. Okay, so we're going to go all the way down to the end. And the end of the street is coming up on this corner, so we'll be at the base here in a moment. So they'll have some food that they'll make right here. There's also a Triangle Coffee Shop as well. And that's basically our whole street right there. And we also have a peanuts thing. Let's go all the way to the front. There's our street name, Ervanarios. Right there. So in English it's like Street of the Herbalist. And this will be the beginning. So it's some references to some different places that you could go. This is Merchant Street. Up there goes up to Sonata Square and Sao Paulo Ruins and Sao Domingos. And this is a parallel street, Rua Nossa Senhora de Emporo. So that's where all the cars go. And then all the pedestrians go to the left. And you also have this Peanuts. I saw a big line of people earlier that were taking pictures in front of the Snoopy there. Okay, so we're gonna end this particular video. Ervanarios, another slice of Macau.